Lambert the sheepish lion wasn't really in the right place,
like in Africa.
And if you ever saw him, you would even say he has a sheep face. All of the other lions used to sleep and call him names,
like Rudolph.
They never let poor Lambert sleep in any lion cave.
The really dark ones.
But then one very hot hunting day, a wise sheep came to baa.
Ba.
Lambert, with your sheepish flaws, won't you join my big sheep farm? Then all the lions loved him, as they growled out with glee.
Yippee.
Lambert the sheepish lion, you'll go down in history.